leverage social media to promote your business, Miss Jet?
Okay, sige. How do we leverage social media to promote our business? Okay, ang social media is actually a powerful tool in this business. Um, why so? Because this social media helps us find the right targets, yung kung sino yung mga people na looking for it. So social media, Facebook, like what we are using, um, we leverage our business by creating meta ads, yung ganyan. And these ads will actually do the thing na okay, i-deliver ito sa mga tao na searching for online businesses, and that's it. That is how social media does its magic. Ganun siya. So by just putting up one ad there, sharing our story, sharing what we learn about this business, it can reach many people all across the globe. Ganun ka-powerful ang social media. And since social media naman ay lahat na yata ng tao ay merong social media accounts, name it, lahat na yan ng mga siguro sa isang tao, maybe 3 or 4 accounts of different social media, 'di ba? Meron gumagamit. So imagine how wide yung magiging reach niya. And yun, plus meron tayong we optimize the the automation na meron dito sa mga social media. Kasi once na natutunan mo yon, ay, ganun lang pala kadali yun. Isang click lang pala, ayun na pala yun. Ganon. Ganon powerful ang social media. And that's it. Tsaka isa pa, paano namin pa nile-leverage? By creating meaningful content. By sharing kahit nga yung mga simple captions lang natin, which is coming from our hearts, and that is it. It helps us engage to right people na out there. So that is how social media helps this business a lot in many ways, and that is how also we leverage it. So ayun, and yeah, okay.